In this video, I'll guide you through how to run lead generation ads on Facebook. Lead generation campaigns are one of the most effective ways to collect contact information from potential customers directly through Facebook. Whether you're promoting a service, offering a free consultation, building an email list, or generating inquiries for your business, Facebook Ads Manager provides built-in tools that make it easy to capture leads. Depending on your goals, you can either send people to a form on your own website or use Facebook's instant forms so users can submit their information without leaving the platform. To get started, sign into your Facebook Ads Manager account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From the menu on the left, click the Campaign section, then select the green Create button to begin building a new campaign. You'll now be asked to choose a campaign objective. From the available options, select Leads. This objective is specifically designed for collecting customer information and gives you multiple methods for generating leads. Once you've selected it, click Continue to move to the Campaign Setup page. Begin configuring your campaign settings as needed. While you'll complete the overall campaign setup here, the most important lead generation settings are configured at the ad set level. Navigate to the Ad Set section to continue. Scroll down until you find the Conversion Location setting. This is where you'll decide where Facebook should send people when they interact with your advertisement. You'll notice that there are multiple available options. If you choose the website option, people will be directed to your own website, where you should already have a lead capture form ready to receive submissions. If you prefer to keep the entire process inside Facebook, select Instant Forms. This option allows potential customers to fill out a built-in Facebook form without leaving the app, which can often make the experience faster and more convenient. After choosing your preferred conversion location, continue setting up the rest of your ad set. Configure your budget, schedule, audience, and any additional campaign settings that apply to your advertising goals. The key step is making sure you've selected the correct conversion location before moving forward. Once the ad set has been configured, continue to the Ad section, where you can create your advertisement by adding your images or videos, writing your ad copy, and completing the remaining creative settings. If you're using Instant Forms, you'll also finish setting up your lead form during this stage. After reviewing all of your campaign settings, your lead generation campaign will be ready to publish. And that's all there is to running lead generation ads on Facebook. By selecting the leads objective and choosing the right conversion location, you can create campaigns that efficiently collect valuable customer information and help grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.